Hey guys, so I am so excited about this delivery that I got from Costa Farms today that I'm not even putting on any makeup or brushing my hair for this video. I'm just going to do my first plant unboxing video. I've ordered quite a few plants online. I've never ordered directly from Costa Farms, which I actually didn't even know you could do on their website. It took about a week to get here, bearing in mind with all the holiday shipping, all the delays, and New Year's Day, between last Monday and this Wednesday, I'm actually pretty impressed with that. So, oh, and it came FedEx too, and shipping was included. So it was a little expensive, but when I saw that they were selling Scindapsus Treubii Moonlights to the public, I had to get one, because this is what I have. This is my Treubii Moonlight that I have now. I bought a tiny cutting that had 2 leaves off Facebook last year, and then I've had it rooting here in this sphagnum moss. So obviously it's like one of my favorite plants. So when I saw this, it was 50 bucks, but that included shipping as well. So I'm pretty impressed that it got here so quickly. So carefully open up this box. It came packaged really, really well. Looks like, give you guys a peek here at it. How this looks. Okay, so the listing was for a sterling silver Scindapsus. So I guess that's what they're going to be marketing the Moonlight as when they get it out in stores. Oh, that's a little dirt. See little care instructions. Yeah, so they're calling this a sterling silver. Sterling silver, nothing else. That's interesting. So it left Miami on Tuesday. On Thursday, it was in New Jersey, and then on Friday, it was at Dulles, which is our closest sorting center, and then as of yesterday, it had moved out to Hagerstown. So this plant has been all over the place in lots of cold weather, and it still looks pretty amazing. Wow. I was super worried about cold damage, but this looks very nice. This looks very, very good. So, it's a good sized plant. Is it overpriced? Yes. Did I want to treat myself? Also yes. I mean, this is my favorite plant. So I bought this for $10, completely unrooted last year from someone. Now that it's rooted and has a 3rd leaf, I'll probably try and sell it for, I don't know, 15 bucks on Facebook to see if I can recoup some of my money here. Okay, so after a few minutes of struggling here, I did get it out of the pot. So it just came in this white ceramic pot, and then it's very well wrapped in a plastic nursery pot that I'm just gonna take the wrapping off of here. It seems like it's all pretty happy. I'm not really seeing any major signs of stress from shipping, which is great. You know, I wasn't too worried about this plant just because it is such a hardy plant in terms of neglect and water and humidity and whatnot. But I was a little worried about the weather. So I'm glad it didn't suffer any cold damage. And it looks beautiful. Oh my God, look at all those roots. Holy roots. Look at that. There's a lot of roots in there. This thing might even need to be repotted soon. I'll probably wait until, see, it's January now. I will probably wait until at least late March to repot it. Yeah, I'll do an update video about how it's going after I repot it, and until then, you shall sit in isolation until we're sure you're not bringing any fun little pests with you. Alrighty?